With wings like knives cutting pictures of us in my sleepless mind. You can't deny that it's hard to find someone to love when you already found it. The look in your eyes gives me shaking bones. When I'm on my own, I keep drawing on names in my pocketbook, just to let you know that it's hard to find someone to love. Without you, this place is so cold. There's no one to hide and to hold. Now I must confess, without you I'm hopeless. Forget the things we shared in your bed, about the future, the past, and the moments we've had. They're all stuck in my head, but it's hard to find someone to love when you already found it. Without you, this place is so cold. There's no one to hide and to hold. The mirror discloses my fault. My shackle mind won't let me go. I'm caught in the confining cell, with all that I love by myself. With every breath I call for someone to tear down these walls, and I can find no rest. Without you I'm homeless. Without you I'm homeless.